Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to enable auto suggestion in PyCharm. So let's get into it. First of all, we will need to go to settings right over here, file. Just a moment, we have some issues. Okay, so we go here to settings, click on that, and now we need to go to editor. Open this up here into general and inline, where it is inline completion, like that. And we can enable, disable local full line completion suggestion checkbox. So this one right here. And here you see that we can download it for CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, TypeScript, and so on. So if you more doing HTML, just press download and you will get after that also the suggestion for these ones here. So this is how we enable this suggestion, as you can see right now, like that. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.